Hey there, I'm Rick. So let's talk about tires. When you look at the sidewalk, it looks comfortable, pretty smooth, but those flat-free tires are so painful. You hear down the road. So we need to look at pneumatic tires because they're so comfortable. So here we look at pneumatic tires, and we have a tube inside the tire. These happen to be 10-inch tires that I found on Amazon. And after going through several sizes, the 10-inch tires seem to be the best, and they fit my scooter. These are 30 bucks for two, so it's a good deal, and you definitely want the rubber tires, not the compound ones that are built out of nylon and something else. So when we look further down, you'll see that we're looking at the hub. And so the hub is actually from a wheel at Harbor Freight. And we want to look at the hub because typically every hub on Amazon, and when I did a search from AI, they're actually 2.2, 2.2 and a quarter in width, and that's too much for your scooter. Typically, scooters are about inch and a half or inch and three quarters as far as the axle that comes out. So you definitely want to make sure you're at the inch and a half level. Otherwise, it won't fit. And definitely, it's got some bearings in there, but we'll talk about that in a minute. So when you buy the hub, I actually throw away the tire, but I get it from Harbor Freight, and you can see it's just wide enough to fit on the scooter, and there's enough room for the washer and the nut to hold it on. But you can get them in black or silver, and just choose your preference. I happen to like the black look for my scooter, so that's what I went with. When looking at the scooter, then there's four bolts, and you just bolt it on, and the two halves kind of sandwich the tire together. And it's really easy to do. It's not that difficult at all. And so it's about almost a 5-inch hub, so it fits on many size tires. I just happen to have the 10-inch tire, and there's a bearing in there. Most of the bearings are 5/8 in size, so you'll need to look at an adapter to make it fit on the axle. So I put these little adapters up right here, and they are 5/8 to 12 millimeter, and so it fits right in there. It'll fit securely on your axle, and of course spray everything down with silicone. So I use a WD-40 silicone, and it rotates nicely. It's a way of greasing the bearings, and then also what that adapter does in there as well. So it's a really nice fit. So when we look at the rear wheels, they work the same way. Two hub halves that pin together for the tire, and then also they're on the axle with a keyway, so they work a little differently. They don't just spin like the front. So in the back we have the wheelie bars, and the wheelie bars just is an 8-inch, uh, 8 inch 8 millimeter bolt that we put everything on, and we use inline skate wheels because we want to stabilize the back, just like an outrigger. So again, you get the hub from Harbor Freight. It's a great deal. It's only like 10.99. You can get them on sale for $7 or $8. So you get to pick up a couple of them and all ready to go. I hope you like this. Thank you.